How to fix Blox Fruit boat. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about solving the common boat problems in Blox Fruit. So if the boat is stuck or not moving, you can get off your boat and summon it again at the boat dealer at the dock. If your boat is stuck in the middle of the sea, reset your character or teleport to another island and come back. If the boat suddenly disappeared, get a new boat from the nearest boat dealer, and in sea events C2 or 3, boats might disappear, so just get a new one. And if the boat won't spawn, make sure that you're near a dock or pier, and if it says too far from water, get closer to the sea. And if it still does not appear, rejoin the server or go to the private server. And if boat is taking too much damage, sea beast or ship radius can damage the boats, so avoid them. Or use stronger boats like the Enforcer or the Pirate Raid boat, and repair your boat at the dock if it has too much damage. So in the third sea, boats might act differently, so avoid sea events unless prepared. And for visual problems, lower your graphics and reset your character. And use fast boats like Swan Boat or Enforcer to avoid most problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.